Rich here from Minifig Man Cave with another polybag build video. This is a LEGO City polybag, and this is set number 30229, the repair lift with 40 pieces. And this is a Toys R Us exclusive, and it retails for $349 in the US. So taking a look at the bag here, not really much going on. It just shows the set, and yeah, not really much to say there. Back, it just shows that kids do go free, which is cool. It's really lands with the purchase of a paid adult ticket. There. So yeah, let's get this opened. And as you know, guys, I don't speed up the build for polybags. Ooh, that's convenient. So yeah. But anyway, got everything. So we got all of our pieces, plus of course the instructions on how to build it. Obviously no numbered bags, I mean, seriously. Let's take a quick look at the instruction booklet, little sheet, leaflet thing. It's double-sided, and it goes up to step number 11, and it shows all the great vehicle sets for 2014, and some from 2013, surprisingly. Those being the flatbed truck, and the Grand Prix truck. Those are from last year. So let's get right to it. Okay. Well, first thing we have to do is build the minifig, obviously. That should be a given for any set that has a minifig. Okay, he's pretty basic, as you can see. But, I mean, it's a city set, what do you expect? It's city and it's not Arctic, so the minifigures are going to be pretty basic, but does the job pretty well. So far this is pretty basic, nothing too special about the building techniques here. Sorry. I had to clear my throat there, as you could tell. Yep, we are moving right along here. Basically what this thing is just a little thing that'll lift him up so he can repair stuff. That's why it's called repair lift, because it lifts people so they can repair things. Seems pretty straightforward, as is the build. Looks pretty good so far. Correct, that is. Flipping over to the back of the instructions. This Technic axle is longer than I expected, look at that. Another one of these, I presume. And one of... Wait, I feel like I'm missing something here. Kinda. It's kinda hard to tell when you're forgetting anything on these polybag instructions if you're not paying super duper close attention. Time to put together some wheels. I like to just set the wheel down and then put the tire on over it like so. And finally. And just gonna attach these wheels here. And just gonna put the minifig in the top. Here we go. There's our little repair lift. That was a very short build. 2 extra pieces, both plates of different 1x1 varieties. All the instructions. Yeah, that's pretty cool. But anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for this quick build video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.